pwede pala yun, on the spot, pwede kang ma-appoint, no? Grabe, itong si Nakanilaw, grabe na talaga ang pagsisinungaling nito. Tapos nagtuturoan pa sila, no? Pakinggan natin ang video, guys. Play video.
You appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
The PCTC, Your
So
Honor.
can the on that day?
Yes, yes, sir.
So can the buuin natin ha, kayo lang mga militar at pulis nakakaintindi ng 3-4 na letra eh. Yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yun? If I check with Interpol,
Pakinggan
so kung today pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function ko yun.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Yun po sabi niya eh.
So, but you're saying it's not. So hindi niyo po, no.
Kasi he's a competent authority.
Yeah, no, you're under oath, sir. Did you or did you not appoint him as
The ambassador
representative?
is a competent authority to represent us.
But you did not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a competent.
Authority.
Hindi
You're
ka
not
appointing
appointing,
authority.
okay.
Klaro po yun. Executive Order 265, saan sa buong executive order na nagtatakda na magkaroon ng special envoy, sinasabi na meron kang papel para mag-oversee. Wala kasi akong mabasa
Hindi po.
katulad ni Senator Cayetano.
Madam Chair, yun nga po yung relasyon ho namin ng OSETC and PCTC. Sila yung aming Secretariat and Operational.
Sekretarya lang ninyo, siya pang appointing ninyo.
Hindi
Parang
po,
ang gulo.
hindi po.
Boss ba ninyo yan or utusan?
Hindi po, clear ko lang ho. Kasi that time, wala hong available na members ng PCTC anang may passport noon.
Uy.
So, kaya ho sinabi ko kanina, I volunteered para ho i-accompany ang former president in behalf of the PCTC.
Okay, ma'am, can I clarify ha? I'm not going into the supervision, your appointment as special envoy because depende sa presidente, pwedeng iba. Di ba? Kahit presidential advisor, if the president has special advisor on justice, then it's between the president, Secretary Remulla, etc. Ang focus ko, doon sa ikaw ang representative ng Interpol. Kasi sabi mo, yes. Ang sabi po ni Secretary Alcantara, hindi kanya in-appoint. So, sino nag-appoint sa iyo bilang representative ng Interpol?
Nirepresent ko po ang PCTC.
Hindi makasagot ng diretso.
Go ahead, sir.
Senator. Kasi
Ito namang si Remulla to the rescue. Kasi
ang
hindi
executive
makasagot yung
director
mga bata
is also
niya.
the envoy. Ngayon, pinaghiwalay po yung posisyon. Yung ginawa po ng Malacanang, hiniwalay po yung posisyon ng special envoy at ng executive director. Pero dati ho, isa lang yan.
Yeah. But lihis doon, Sec, sabi kasi ni Ambassador, siya daw ang representative ng Interpol that day ng Pilipinas.
Yung pagpaalis ho pagpunta ho ng The Hague, siya po yung representative talaga ng